Hello, Dr. Danger Mazet here. So I've got a recipe that needs breadcrumbs. I've seen breadcrumb recipes on the internet and they're all really long-winded, you know, chop it up, stick it in the oven, leave it for 20 minutes, come out, you know, chop it up again, then put it in a food processor. No, that's not for me. So I'm going to try a new method. I don't know if it will work, but I've cooked this dish here, which needs breadcrumbs on the top of it. So what I've done is got 3 fresh slices of bread. They're all fresh. And I've just chopped them up like this. Just scrunch them up with my hands. Like that. And then I had thought that I could use this. A hand whisk. So wish me luck in case you're thinking of it. I hope it works. Right, I'm just going to do this bit now. Okay. This is going quite well. I actually do seem to have breadcrumbs. I will give you a full update. Okay, right. I'm going to take you down here for a bit so you can see in depth what's happened. They're actually breadcrumbs. Yeah, absolutely fine. I need to do a bit longer because of these lumps, but that's no problem. Now, the only thing I would say is that there needs to be some method of cover because the breadcrumbs have scattered all around the surface. But hey, it saves getting out a big food processor. I'm happy with the results. Thank you for your time.